Hello, and welcome to The Right Way with me, Josette Hall. Rephrase that, please. Part 3, Replacing Overused Words in Writing. One word that many writers overuse is the word things. Things can be replaced by a number of different options. For example, entities, items, objects. When writing, there are a number of different ways that we can say that something is good. Some options are superb, impressive, exceptional. The word said can be replaced by using the words exclaimed, uttered, articulated. Lastly, some options for replacing the word bad are atrocious, substandard, unpleasant. Thank you for joining another segment of Rephrase That Please, replacing overused words in writing. I hope that this has been helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.